Are you looking for the best budget golf driver for affordable distance? The driver remains the most critical club in a golf bag for distance, launch, and stopping power off the tee. Modern designs blend advanced materials, aerodynamics, and weight distribution to optimize speed, forgiveness, and accuracy across a wide range of swings. In this review, I test and compare 5 drivers from Cobra, TaylorMade, and Pine Meadow Golf.
Product number 1. TaylorMade Golf Sim 2 Max. The Sim 2 Max represents TaylorMade's approach to combining high-strength materials with advanced aerodynamics. It features new forged ring construction using lightweight aluminum milled into a shape that supports a large rear weight, with a full carbon sole and crown, plus a milled back cup face. The Sim inertia generator is designed to maximize club head speed through asymmetric geometry, while the speed-injected twist face calibrates each head to the legal speed limit and protects against heel-toe mishits. The through-slot speed pocket is TaylorMade's flexible design for added ball speeds and forgiveness on low face strikes, and split mass weighting enhances forgiveness while allowing for precise swing weight customization. In practice, this head tends to feel stable at speed with a high launch profile and strong consistency off a wide variety of lies. Performance-wise, the Sim 2 Max tends to deliver robust forgiveness for mid to high swing speeds thanks to the rear weighting and carbon composite construction, which also helps lower center of gravity for easier launch. The combination of the twist face and speed pocket tends to translate into favorable results on off-center hits, especially toward the toe and heel zones. The option to customize swing weight via split mass distribution is valuable for players seeking a balance between forgiveness and shot-shaping control. For players with a moderate to high...
Product number 2. TaylorMade Golf Sim 2 Max. This variant reiterates the Sim 2 Max's core technology with a unique color combination, black, light gray, and blue, and a stiff shaft profile. It shares the same forged ring construction, Sim inertia generator, speed-injected twist face, through-slot speed pocket, and split mass weighting as its peers in the Sim 2 Max family. The main distinction in this entry is the hardware calibration for a stiffer shaft configuration and a slightly different weight tuning approach intended to optimize performance for stronger players who prioritize workability and shot shaping. In play, the stiff configuration typically promotes a more penetrating flight and tighter dispersion for players with faster swing speeds, while retaining the same forgiveness benefits from the overall head architecture. The 10.5-degree loft remains a versatile option for players seeking a balance of launch and roll, with the potential for aggressive spin management using the twist face alignment. The head remains highly versatile across turf conditions and weather scenarios, though players with a tempo that favors smooth transitions may...
Product number 3. TaylorMade Golf Sim 2 Max Driver. Another entry in the Sim 2 Max family with a 9.0-degree configuration designed for players who want a lower launch or a more piercing trajectory. It uses the same core technologies, forged ring construction, inertia generator, and twist face, but emphasizes a slightly different loft setting and weight distribution that can alter the feel and flight dynamics. The design intent is to deliver consistent speed and forgiveness while enabling players to work the ball with draw-fade tendencies depending on their swing. From a performance standpoint, the 9.0-degree setup tends to promote a lower launch and increased rollout for players with higher swing speeds or those who already generate a lot of speed but need a reduced apex. The combination of the low to mid CG with the speed pocket can help maintain ball speed across the face while providing forgiveness on mishits near the toe. The VO cadence remains consistent with the Max line, but players should be mindful of potential spin trade-offs at lower lofts, particularly with mid to thin strikes.
Product number 4. The PGX Offset Golf Driver is positioned as a value-oriented option, with offset technology designed to help squaring the face at impact. The 460cc head size and offset design aim to reduce slices and promote straighter ball flights, making it attractive for higher handicap players or those who struggle with a consistent square impact.
The matte black finish with green accents gives it a classic, understated look, while the offset geometry targets a stable launch and improved direction control. Performance-wise, the PGX offset driver emphasizes straight-line geometry over extreme speed technology. It offers a practical path to improved accuracy for players who consistently slice or push balls to the right. The graphite shaft and standard grip keep the weight distribution accessible for a broad range of players. However, the trade-off tends to be less overall distance acceleration compared with premium models, and the offset design may feel less intuitive for players who prefer a conventional,
Product number 5. Cobra Golf Men's Dark Speed. Cobra's Dark Speed LS driver focuses on refined aerodynamics and tour-inspired shaping with a larger PWRSHEL face and an AI-designed hot face for faster ball speeds. The 9-degree loft and all-metal alloy construction aim to maximize distance while maintaining workability and forgiveness. The driver is equipped with a stiff shaft, Project X Hazardous Black Gen 4 60G, to support aggressive swing tempos and tight dispersion, especially for players who can harness a strong, stable strike. In practical terms, the Dark Speed LS delivers a compact, penetrating ball flight with a strong emphasis on velocity and low spin dynamics. The aerodynamics and multi-material face are tuned for speed retention across a variety of mishits, while the high MOI design supports forgiving performance on imperfect contact. Some players may find the head slightly less forgiving on very high arcing launch patterns, but overall the setup suits confident players who value speed.